7 nights, 4 destinations. Welcome to the Greek Island Glow cruise aboard the Resilient Lady together with Virgin Voyages. Step number 1, board the ship.
Thank you.
Step number 2, room check.
Thank you.
So we are officially now on our way to our first destination, which is going to be Santorini. I actually personally have never been there. I've only ever seen a lot of videos and photos of the destination. So I'm really stoked to checking it out for the first time. Whilst we're sailing though, we are keen on exploring the boat a little bit more and see what they have on offer.
Alright, we threw the safety drill, we got ourselves acquainted with the room. What are the first impressions?
I love it. I think it's fun, it's really youthful.
Absolutely.
It's super colorful and I love the way that they've designed it. Also, it's just super alternative. It's a whole new spin on a cruise ship.
Exactly, it's super chill. I personally only ever have done, I think, 2 cruises before, and it's been over 7 years, so it's really different of what cruising is like today. But as you can see, it is so modern and just so fun.
Yeah, it is.
Good morning. We just woke up a bit late today, but we really needed that sleep. And it's a beautiful surprise to wake up to a view like this one. Right behind me you can see Santorini, so we have officially arrived. So it's time to explore, but first, let's change this outfit a little bit.
Yep, that is better. Now time to get a tender to the island. So we are currently on the hunt for traditional gyros because I've actually never had one. Have you?
I have, but
damn, okay.
never here in Greece.
Well, there you go. First time for both of us here. And I think we got a spot. Santorini was definitely a win for today. It was only short but sweet. We got some good gyros, we got some good vibes. We also got some good shots with the drone, which was pretty epic. So we're now riding into sunset, back onto the Resilient Lady, and then we're gonna head off to our next destination, which will be Rhodes.
But before we head to the next island, I quickly want to give a shout out to Motion Array, who are the sponsors of this video. Now, Motion Array is the ultimate platform for any content creator, providing you with unlimited downloads of professional video assets, motion graphics, plugins, and so much more. Let me show you. Now, Motion Array's library of effects and music is limitless. Whether you are after a unique effect to spice up your video or just need to speed up your editing workflow, Motion Array has you covered. Each template or effect also comes with a comprehensive tutorial, which actually makes it super easy to apply to your own video. So let me give you an example how I used this location pin template for this edit. I was looking for a quick but aesthetic way to show you guys the location of each of the islands. So with a simple search and quick download, I got everything I needed to just drag and drop the template into the timeline. After that, I was able to edit it to my liking and got my final results within seconds. As you can see, the text is fully animated, which is great, so you don't have to manually do it in post, and the result speaks for itself. And if you sign up for an annual subscription through the link below, you get $50 off your membership. Thanks so much, Motion Array, for sponsoring this video, and now it's time to see the next island.
Welcome to Simi, an island that's only 1.5 hours off roads and definitely worth a visit. Let me show you why. It's honestly really hard to describe how freaking beautiful this town is. I think it's a mix of Venice, Santorini, and maybe the Amalfi Coast. I mean, there's so many beautifully colored buildings behind us, and they stretch all along the coastline behind me. Pretty insane here. We also heard that there's a super picturesque bay called George's Bay, that we should check out. Just trying to look for a boat that can take us at the moment. We should be able to find the tickets right at the harbor. Look for something like this. The whole trip takes around an hour and a half, so you have time to come back and explore Simi as well. So the boat ride to St. George's Bay is absolutely gorgeous, and the ride to St. George's Bay should take only around 10 to 15 minutes. I think I can even see it off from the distance already.
The water is probably the most clearest water I've ever seen in my life. Just check this out.
Tomorrow when we're alright, that's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and it's alright. That's when you remember who you are.
Clearest water I've ever seen.
It's so beautiful.
Right? It's absolutely insane. Definitely worth a visit if you're around in town. Just gonna explore a little bit on the underwater world now, but this is absolutely epic.
Just enjoying my freshly made lemonade from one of the local cafes here, and just a moment to reflect on how beautiful this island is. And we just found this island by chance because we did a bit of a Google search and stumbled upon this. So yeah, if you're around, if you're in Rhodes, make sure to come check this island out. Off to the next one. Alright, we are back on the ship, and today is a special night because tonight it is
Scarlet Night.
Scarlet Night is a night where the entire ship turns into a party place, really, and a place where there's a lot of happenings, right?
There's lots going on, lots of activities, events, shows, all of it throughout the ship.
Exactly, it's pretty amazing, and we are about to embark on this journey here. Everything is themed in red, and we're excited to explore. So today is sea day, which means we will be at sea for the entire day, and this is a perfect opportunity to explore the ship a little bit more, so let's get started. First thing on the list, getting a haircut. Can we do this? Can you work at this? So cruise days are actually perfect to test out the spa that I have from here. They have a mud room, steam room, sauna, salt room. They have it all. So we're going to enjoy this today, and we're starting with the steam room first. They also offer some amazing massages, so I just opted in for a 75-minute treatment, deep tissue, because I have sometimes some sore shoulders, so I'm really excited to try this out. Fresh off the ship, we just arrived at our final destination, which is Mykonos. When you get off the boat, you take a shuttle, which takes around 10 minutes to get into downtown, and now we're off to explore. Let's go. As you go deeper into the town, you discover some really quiet laneways like the one that I'm currently on. It's perfect for a photo op or for a drone shot. Another city, another year. It's currently sunset o'clock. Everyone's gathering to capture the beautiful sunset behind us. It's pretty epic, so it's time for us to get on top of the island a little bit, or at least get a better lookout and set up the drone to capture this beautiful experience.